all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, now I'm going to read the page number 6 from your phonic reader book 2. Now let's start the reading. A dog, on, a log, a dog on a log, a dog on a log. And the next line is a rod, cot, a rod in the cord. Read it again. A rod in the cord. And the next line is a rod, on, a log, a rod on a log. Now read it again. A dog on a log, a rod in the cot, a rod on a log. I hope children you will understand that how can we read the page number 6. Children, this is your phonic reader book 2. Now open the page number 6. Children, we have read this page on board. So you have to read this page again and again in the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.